drinking water to the settlement and to the surviving animals.
Matatana ke urubadwa kotere bujiro ni akure punya daunia ngotunga ni matara berda kan tanah pite ko to kita mata jai ko dangini akini abakriyo ni peidana turikoro tamat ke yo bachadwa matatangana.
Eipa was lucky. His goats have so far survived Turkana's crippling droughts. And with the addition of the new water pan, his family is hopeful that they will continue to thrive. It now takes Ekai and his goats just an hour on foot to reach water. The short walk expends less energy and leaves Ekai and his animals less vulnerable to attack.
The community is using the water pond as strategic reserve relief during the drought season.
The Turkana people are now adopting several new initiatives to help them cope with the changing climate. Many have traded in their traditional cattle for more drought-resistant animals like goats and camels. Hearty cereals such as sorghum that require little water are being